some real numbers are rational. It means that real numbers can be both rational and irrational, but some real numbers are irrational. It means that there exist some number, and this number is real and rational. This statement can be converted to this statement, means there is some number and this number is real as well as rational, because a real number can be both rational as well as irrational, but there exists some number which is real as well as rational. So I can convert this statement to this statement first, then from this we can write there exists a number x such that x is real and x is rational. I think option C is matching, so C is correct. Let's see how option A is wrong. There is a number x, that x is either real or rational. It is either. Some numbers means it can be true for irrational number also. Suppose that number is irrational, it will be true in this case real x, irrational number will also be true, and this will be false, the whole statement will be true, so it is false. Real number x, see where it is wrong. It says that every real number is rational. Every real number is rational. For every x, real x implies rational, means if a number is real then it is rational. Option number D, rational implies real. It says that some rational numbers, if there is a number x and it happens to be a rational, then it implies that this rational number is real. No, every rational number is real, not some rational number is real. So D is wrong, B is wrong.